All right, the date is March 13th. We're in the Texas Panhandle looking at one of the more impressive March setups we've seen in recent memory. This whole trip actually started yesterday. We were down near the Lubbock area where we saw a brief tornado north of shallow water. We continued to follow that supercell and another one further east as it got dark. We got a pretty nice hail core south of Paducah. And then we decided to get a hotel in Childress so we could kind of be in the target area for today. We're now in the Claude, Texas area, just east of Amarillo, watching supercells going off to our southwest. The key is going to be picking the right one and getting in on it when it's actually producing before it gets in the canyon regions.
No, though, it's trying to right now. Look at that RFD gust front coming around. That's definitely a wedge.
Alright. I'll try and get us west. Holy shit.
That's a large tornado, alright. That's a monster.
Wow. Alright, we gotta get up on that, bro.
This coming up here?
Yeah, this exit.
That's that wedge I was looking for, man.
All right, you see it? It's up there.
Yep,
you got a ways.
I do. 1.5 miles.
And then you're gonna go west right to that fucking thing.
Yep.
I'm glad we went west.
New area starting to form on the right.
Yep, new tornado. All right, take 2 tornadoes.
Wow. That wind is intense. Nobody coming on my right?
Nobody coming, you're good. Let's go back.
Flip around?
Flip around. Yeah, it's right over there.
There it is. I see the right-hand edge of it.
Yep.
The big wedge. All right, you see the left side over here.
Oh, it's like right there. All right, we got time, right? Oh my God. Oh, it's right there, bro.
You want me to stop?
Holy shit.
You want me to stop or go?
We should probably stop.
Yeah.
We should probably stop. Did you see that power line just go down? Keep with it. We're good, right? We're good, right? My God. Yeah, you could still keep inching.
I just don't want to lose it.
Oh, power line's going down.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Wow, you can just smell the earth and manure that is just dripping into the sky right now.
What a wedge. Oh my God.
Get right up on it.
Oh, with the canyon, baby. Hell yes. Oh, look at that. Can we go where we have a better view, please?
Yep, that's there's not much. We're getting
Yep.
into the canyon land.
Oh, it just lifted something. Woo! Something just got lofted.
Oh,
Not
no,
good, not
yeah,
good.
That's not good. Big
Wow, look at it with the
frame.
canyon.
That's not good. There is not much as far as view goes. You want me to stop
Just
right
keep
here?
going, keep
Keep
going.
going, keep going. You got it.
Wow, in the canyon.
That's
Tornado
insane.
in the canyon. Oh, it condensed right there. Right there. All right, scoot up. Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. Well, yeah, it's gonna throw debris. All right, chill right here. Looks like minor damage from a pulled off type thing. Can we see it even?
Yeah, it's right north.
I can't see anything. Yikes.
Window up. Big wedge starting to plant here.
You got it, film,
I got
bro.
it. Whoops. It's hard.
I hope I got a good shot of that. It was so hard.
Yeah, you can see the left edge just ripping around this thing. I think this is a whole new cycle, whole new tornado.